In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gantt chart view in ClickUp. Gantt charts are an incredibly effective way to visualize your project timeline and keep track of tasks, deadlines, and dependencies in a structured format. Whether you're managing a simple project or tackling a complex workflow, ClickUp offers a seamless way to integrate Gantt charts into your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools to create a Gantt chart view that enhances your project management experience. So let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to your Workspace dashboard. This is your main hub where all your projects and tasks are organized. If you haven't created a ClickUp account yet, don't worry, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're on your Workspace dashboard, verify that you're in the correct workspace. To do this, use the Workspace switcher located in the top left corner of the screen. If you're managing multiple workspaces, make sure you've selected the one that contains the project you want to work on. Next, locate the project where you'd like to add the Gantt chart view. You can find all your projects listed in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Browse through the list and click on the project you want to open. This will take you to the project page, where you can view and manage its tasks. At the top of the project page, you'll see the View options. This is where you can switch between different ways of visualizing your project. To add the Gantt chart view, click on the plus sign or the Add View button, which will open a list of available views for your project. Scroll through the list until you find Gantt. Once you see it, click to select it. ClickUp will now generate the Gantt chart for your project using the tasks and due dates you've already set up. This process only takes a moment, so sit tight while the chart loads. Now that your Gantt chart is ready, you can customize it to better suit your project needs. You can adjust tasks directly on the timeline by dragging them to new positions. If a deadline has changed, simply modify it right on the chart. You can also create dependencies between tasks by linking them, which ensures your project flows in the correct sequence. If you notice that your Gantt chart appears incomplete or missing tasks, you can easily add new tasks or set deadlines for existing ones. This will immediately update the chart and give you a comprehensive view of your project's timeline. And that's it. You've successfully added a Gantt chart view to your project in ClickUp. With this visual tool, you can stay on top of deadlines, manage dependencies, and keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.